Fire doors should never be wedged open. It's illegal and dangerous. But buildings still need airflow and access. Illegal door wedges compromise fire safety and put buildings and lives at risk. This is Dorgard from Fireco. Trusted for over 30 years, it's the original safe alternative to fire door wedges. Dorgard holds fire doors open safely, enhances airflow and accessibility, and has improved sound recognition. It's quick and easy to install, and battery-powered. Dorgard listens for your fire alarm. If it sounds, it releases and the door closes. Dorgard supports safer evacuation routes and helps meet fire safety responsibilities. Dorgard is ideal for care homes, hotels, schools, hospitals, offices, and more. It's reliable, proven, and widely trusted. It's the world's #1 acoustic fire door retainer.